A man invented the microwave because a radar melted his candy bar. Percy Spencer was a self-taught radar engineer working at Raytheon in 1945. One day, while working close to an operating radar magnetron, he felt an unexpected warmth. The chocolate bar in his pocket had completely melted. So the next day, he aimed the radar directly at popcorn kernels. They popped. Microwave radiation causes water molecules in food to vibrate rapidly, generating heat from the inside out, cooking food faster than any conventional oven. Then he developed the first microwave oven, which was the size of a refrigerator, weighed 750 pounds. Raytheon paid him exactly $2 for his invention.